If your Traxxas Maxx sounds like this and barely moves, chances are you stripped your spur gear. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now real quick, before we jump into the repair, I just wanted to point out that no matter how tempting it is, I don't recommend that you upgrade to a metal spur gear. I recommend buying the stock replacement, which is part number 6448 for anyone who isn't sure which part to get, and I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't upgrade to the metal gear in just a bit once we get the old one out. Now Traxxas has done a really good job making this chassis easy to work on. In order to get the spur gear out, all you need to do is remove these 6 screws from the transmission cover using a 2.5mm hex driver. Then remove one more screw from the back of the motor mount. Then you can pull off the gearbox cover and pull the spur gear assembly straight out. Be careful not to lose your bearings, as they're just held onto the shaft with friction. Now, using a 2mm hex driver, remove the 3-button head screws holding the spur gear onto the assembly. And as you can see, this gear is completely stripped. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you may be tempted to replace this with a much stronger metal upgraded gear, but I don't think it's a good idea, because this gear is designed to be the weakest link in the drivetrain. For example, if you were to do a backflip out of a ramp and ended up landing on only one wheel, while still on throttle, all of the torque coming out of the motor is just going to be sent straight through the gearbox into that drive axle. All of that force needs to be dissipated somehow, and usually that means either the axle is going to snap or you're going to end up breaking something in the diff or transmission, both of which are a lot more involved and costly to replace than a simple $3 spur gear. But of course, if you really want to run a metal spur gear, the option is there. Just understand that you risk breaking something more expensive and harder to replace. But with all that out of the way, let's get this thing put back together real quick, and I'm going to take it out to the skate park. Spoiler alert, the spur gear doesn't even last a full pack. Make sure to stay until the end to see what happens.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him busting up. Potion in his double cup, liquor got him buttered up. Yeah, not my competition, every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah, turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had to knuckle up. Hey, big bands busting out a duffel. Bloody knuckles from the last scuffle, putting dogs back on the muzzle. Might have kicked it for a month, we not a couple. Had to shuffle through my plays, you were getting hard to juggle. Hold up, little stubble on my face, I'm getting more mature. Cut some phonies out the squad, I'm getting more secure. Drop a project every year, I'm trying to tour some more and travel around the world. We, baby, your reward. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, hey, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Yeah, okay. I'm booked for life, catch me if you can. Yeah, hey, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Never let them get the upper hand. You can't tax me if you don't catch me. Catch me in the field on the route like I'm Crabtree. I branched out backseat, just making them Aggie. You not a top G, bro, you going out badly.
Bruh.
Well, unfortunately, I had a pretty bad landing there at the end, and the spur gear didn't survive. But I'm sure glad it was just a $3 easy repair rather than a $10 axle or worse, a blown diff. Anyways, that's how to easily change out the spur gear on your Traxxas Maxx. I hope this video taught you something, or at the very least was entertaining. Make sure to let me know what you think by leaving a thumbs up and comment down below. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. That's all I have for this one, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Later.